VoiceOver, not an easy career. You have to be dedicated to learning, exploring, finding creative, innovative, new ways of promoting and improving. Put in long hours, hard work, and dedication to getting the job done. And find the right tools and mix to make that happen. If you have the passion, drive, and dedication to stick to it, if you can get up each time you fail, learn from it, and keep going without quitting, then keep it tuned in here. It's time to wake the VO flock up, people, and make VO magic happen. Let's talk VoiceOver. Come fly with Phoenix. Hey guys, how's it going? I hope your VoiceOver day is going fantabulous. If it's just starting, hope it's going to be a good one. I am here, as promised today, with a live stream for you on bookkeeping. Bookkeeping for freelancers and voiceovers. What tools can you use so you can get back to your voiceover day? I know myself, I have an accounting background. I don't like having to spend the time doing my accounting during the day because it takes away my time from my clients. So, what are the ways, or what are some easy, quick tools, and hopefully free tools, that we can use to help our administration and our accounting? Make it quick and easy. 6 ways today. Let's see. There's a free open source program called GNU Cash. Let's go to my desktop and we'll take a look. I'll show you what I mean. All right, so here we are. This is the website for gnucash.org. You'll see down the side here that we have, let me get this a little bit bigger so that you can see it a bit better. There we are. Okay. On their site, you can see they have a personal small business financial accounting software. Now, this has been around since the 1990s. Been a while. So this has been around, it's been developed, it's continuously still being developed. It's a great little program. It is a program for those of you who like to download and have your books on your system yourself. So, it's available for Linux. Linux, love that little penguin. It's also available for Microsoft and for Mac as well. So there you go, cross-platform compatible. Love it. And it is, like I said, free open source, double bookkeeping accounting. Absolutely love this program. It is easy to use, easy to run, and you can basically go through the wizard at the beginning and easily do it yourself. Choose your flavor as to what you want to download, install it, get it set up with an easy wizard. How easy can that be? Now, you don't even really need to have too much accounting experience with it. Like it says, it does double entry accounting, stock, bond, mutual fund accounts, small business accounting, reports, graphs. You can import and export from different accounting softwares as well. Let's see, I believe it was, just looking up in my notes here I made for you. Yeah, it handles invoicing, credit notes, accounts payable, receivable, employee expenses, some payroll features too, and it's quite happy with multiple currencies, credit cards, and accounts, which is what you're going to need for all of your clients. It's a very flexible little program, and you're going to love it if you're one of those people that want it on your system. Another one, now, this is called FreeAgent. FreeAgent's an interesting little program. It lost my train of thought. Sorry about that. Had somebody else message in. FreeAgent is an online accounting software for freelancers and small businesses, and it manages invoicing, expenses, time tracking, which is really good with real-time accounts and tax reports. It even integrates with my favorite, Google. That's right. I am a Google girl, so I love anything that will integrate with my Google Drive, my Google accounts, and everything. And I'm sorry I'm losing my voice here today for some reason. This is not good. Hydrating would be a good idea. Goodness. I had a voice right up until I did this. Okay. I was doing some screaming earlier, so that's probably what it was, and for some video games. Kind of overtaxed my voice today, so we'll just bring it down a notch or two. Yeah. So, Google Contacts, Google Calendar, all of those things, you're going to find that this is really going to be great for your business. Now, it isn't completely free, as you can see here. It does come with a $10 a month price tag, which is rather low, I believe. It's going to run your books for your business and help you tremendously. But down at the bottom of the page, you'll see there is take a 30-day free trial. You can do that right there, and that is amazing. New customers on their website right now, as of this recording, also get a 50% off your first 6 months. So that's pretty cool. $10 a month for 6 months, then $20 a month after that. Pretty cool. It's basically, as it says, the accounting app that does it all. You can do your estimates and invoices and expenses, your time tracking. You have a dashboard to monitor your cash flow at a glance and see when your tax bills are due. It has banking, so you can connect a FreeAgent to your bank accounts to automatically import your transactions. Love that feature. Projects. You get a bird's eye view of the performance of your income, expenses, and your profitability. Love it. And you can even, I found out, around this, send reports from FreeAgent directly to your accountant. And as a voiceover, you are going to need an accountant. But I thought this was a good program for those starting out that want to do everything themselves. So this was a good one that I found. Just kind of bopping around looking for some goodies for people starting up, quick, easy, simple, free or next to free, that you could find. ZipBooks is another one that I found, which looks pretty cool. It has a free starter, but it's a simple accounting software that makes it even smarter, is what they say. It's a free cloud accounting software that automates many of your more tedious aspects, of the financing. And it has tools like time tracking, online invoicing, your project management, and auto billing. Makes it easy to keep better records. Basically, you just jump online, sign in here to your ZipBooks, and quickly enter in your project hours, client information, notes, whatever you need to do for the day. And then ZipBooks keeps the record of it organized so that you can always be prepared to look back on your data and make your decisions from there. Issue an invoice, the notes and things that you put in your project tracking, it'll also just zip it out with your invoice. So you just make your invoice, send it to the client. Absolutely great that way. It has an app as well, so you can sync it up with your Android and use it that way on the go, which is really great. I love anything that I can sync up as I'm running around and doing things like that, because I'm a big multitasker. I'm sitting in the ER, I'm sitting in a doctor's office, I'm sitting on a train, plane, automobile. I'm on my phone doing some business, whether it's reading, podcasting, listening to some YouTube videos, reading a book, or doing my accounting on my phone and syncing it up. That is amazing. To me, anyway, that seems to be a big bonus. It's very user-friendly for the interface. You can see everything that you need at a quick glance. And with ZipBooks, you can even do team management. It allows you to add as many team members to your profile as you need, so that you can give each of them permissions to access different areas, even if you'd like, of the company account. So if you say have other people, maybe you have a studio that you're running and you need your people to have access to their certain sections, you can just section off one thing for them and that's all they can see, not the whole thing overall. Because why give them more access than they actually need to? But it just allows you to review what work's been completed and what needs to be done and who's doing it. So, your team can avoid any overlap and delays. Absolutely cool. You can share your data, like I said, with this one as well, with your accountant. So, or maybe even a consultant that you might be consulting for, I don't know, legals or something like that. Maybe you're incorporating, which you should do, but that's another topic for another day. And then you can just basically share all your data in the cloud. You move your office to the cloud, and it has more benefits than going paperless, really. I love it. Plus, ZipBooks had an interesting caveat that they had. I found on their website. Can't seem to find that right now. But it said that they have bank-level security, which was pretty cool. They secure all of your financial data by observing basically the industry standards. So 256-bit SSL encryption is the most common for communications, and they provide that top-level security with password-protected logins for their site, because of course this is your business's information. Now they do have pricing here. There's a free starter, and the free starter includes unlimited invoicing, unlimited vendors and customers. You can accept credit cards with PayPal. Don't forget, while we're on the topic of accounting, that PayPal has fees. And if you can integrate PayPal with your accounting software for your invoicing for your clients and credit cards and all of that, that's great. But PayPal's fee structures and what they offer, what you'll have to pay to get your money, really look into that for your country of origin. I know for me here in Canada, to withdraw my money, it's an extra 20% off fee of each time that I get it. So I not only have the PayPal fees and the transfers for putting US into Canadian, or Great British Pounds or yen or whatever into Canadian. Then on top of that, I have a withdrawal fee, I have transaction fees, I pay to get the money from my client, and then I have to pay to get it into my bank account. By that time, I might as well just do the project for free. Like, really, come on. Anyway, but I mean, fees are fees. It's a great program. It is accepted worldwide for PayPal. I'll give them that. They do have a good system, and hey, it works. But yeah, kind of odd for the whole withdrawal thing. It doesn't happen to people in the US. I will just have to tell you that part. I'm a little miffed at that, I must say, PayPal. But anyway, yeah, what else do we have? Unlimited bookkeeping, connect and manage one bank account, business health, and invoice quality score. There you go. That's all in the free starter. That'll get you up and going and running. And what I like about most of these that I found is that you have to basically think ahead when you're doing your accounting, because you have to think how you're going to grow, how you're going to expand in the future. And these options do have further options for as you grow, you can expand your options on their platform. So the ZipBooks has the starter, the smarter, the sophisticated, and of course the services as well. Everything in sophisticated plan. A ZipBooks Scholar. There you go. But just take the lowest one you can and then build from there. If you're just starting out, you don't need all the fancy bells and whistles. You really don't. So start low, go high, don't overtax yourself. Next one, this one I really liked. This really caught my eye, which was Wave. Free financial software for small businesses. Right. Free, right? Mm-hmm. The Wave app basically provides software for your invoicing, your accounting, And their whole big thing is they want to make your life easier, which is great, awesome, and it really is free. It includes templates for your invoicing and customizing your logos for to make it look professional, because of course you're going to have your business logo. And I like that it can also be linked to your credit card and your bank accounts for your transactions, which is amazing. It also has a really neat feature, which is receipt scanning tool, that you can import your data into your accounting. It's absolutely lovely. And you can create a free account here. On top of that, there's personal finance tools that can be separated from the business aspects of the software so that you get 2 for 1 with this app. It's really cool. So here's the free software. I love this. Free software for real? Yes, for real. You could just have taken a job somewhere like everybody else does. We could have charged you $20 every month like everybody else does. But you like to do things differently. And so do we. I love it. I love it, Wave. That's pretty cool. So, hydrate. So you just put in your email, your password, and you get started. That's it. That's all. You can even sign up with Google. Hey, your Google girl loves that. Wave software is 100% free. It's not overcomplicated. Like they say, they mean it. No setup fees, no hidden charges, no free trial, not even a free limited version. Free means free. Invoicing software, $0. Accounting software, $0. Receipt scanning, $0. That's it. No conditions, no surprises. Love it. Wave services are affordable, pay as you go, they say. Well, actually it is. Because look at this. Your credit card processing rates here, 2.9% plus 30% per transaction for all credit cards and no additional fees. Love it. Bank payment processing, 1% per transaction for all bank accounts, $1 minimum fee, no additional fees. Love it. If you're doing payroll monthly, $20 plus $4 per employee. Love it. Includes direct deposit, T4s, full tax remittance. Okay, gotta do this. This is disclaimer for Canadians. Full tax remittance for the CRA, which is the Canadian Revenue Agency. So this one is Canadian side only, guys, okay? But I am in Canada, so I do have a little bit of a slant towards some Canadian things. We can find lots for the States out there, but we need more for Canada side, at least for this little VO. And Wave's payroll accuracy guarantee, and what was that? I think somebody just ran into the building. Anyway, but they do have a little disclaimer down here at the bottom. If you process more than $20,000 per month in credit card and bank payments, you will want to contact them. Let them know, and they'll help you with some extra sales there. All free, easy, simple. Love it. Absolutely love it. Now, the other one that I've come across for you guys today is SlickPie. SlickPie is interesting. Pardon me. They say they have all the basic tools for startup micro business management. Perfect for fresh-to-market companies. For established businesses, we recommend legacy software such as QuickBooks Online and Xero. Both of those options you do have to pay for, so I admitted them. Those are good for UVOs out there who are already established and know what you're looking for and need something a little bit more robust, shall we say. Now, SlickPie is basically designed to meet accounting needs of small businesses. So while the free version comes with some limitations, like your number of invoices I found, you can issue and you can issue your invoices, and your storage space is limited as well. That's the other little bit over the paid inclusion, of course. Otherwise, that would just get out of hand for them. You can understand that completely, I would think. It's enough to get you started and on your way, basically. Now, they have this new feature down here called MagicBot, Automated Receipt Data Entry, where this allows you to save like tons of your precious time by automating your data entry for your bills and your receipts. It's pretty cool. And you can find it here. All the features and benefits on their website. You can go there and just read it out. They give a copy. Here's a receipt. You scan it in. There it is, and you put in all the information. Approve it. Add line item. That's all there is to it. That's amazing. I love this. Now for their pricing, go out here. Going to the pricing page, you'll see that everything is included here. For their payment processors is what I'm narrowing in on here. They not only integrate with PayPal, but Stripe and credit card processing as well. So I love that feature. You're not stuck with just one payment processor. Stripe is a great alternative to PayPal. If you haven't used it, go check that out. And there are other credit card processing softwares out there as well. Now you can set up late payment reminders, recurring invoices, add multiple companies and users, see their transaction history, get full support. And they also state that they have bank grade security. So that's one thing I've been looking for in these programs. What offers do they have that also give you the highest security for the valuable information that you need to keep track of to run your business? Now this also, SlickPie integrates SlickPie, SlickPie, ZipBooks, Wave, all integrate with Google Chrome. I do believe all of them do. As well, most of these, with the exception of GNU Cash, you can integrate with an Android app. So like myself, you can be doing things on the go when you have a little bit of that very precious free time, we'll call it, which isn't really free. And then you can just run some of the admin that you need. Or you just pass it off to your own admin and the people that you've got doing your books for you. Now, that is it for the online ones that I found. So we've got a review, GNU Cash, the downloadable one that you put on your own computer and keep it handy and run your own books that way. FreeAgent, again, in the cloud. And, well, there's a free 30-day trial and a $10 for 6 months fee, but pretty good. ZipBooks, free starter, will get you up and running, no problem. Wave, completely free. Absolutely completely free. Love it. And then SlickPie. Now, the easiest, most, for me as a Google girl, when I started out, what I did was this one right here. And if this looks familiar, you're right. It is a Google spreadsheet. It is the easiest way to get some accounting up and running. All you got to do is basically put in your fields. Accounting books. Let's just call this VoiceOver books. You can put in your year there if you like. And then you can just customize this any way you want. Up here you title your spreadsheet. VoiceOver books. I'm going to put it 2018. There you go. Named and it's in my drive. How do you like that? Quick, easy, simple. VoiceOver books is the title and the year. You could start with, say, your expenses. Oops, helps if I'm actually in there. Sorry. Expenses, and make some titles. This is your title. What do you want to do? You want to have a date, and then you'll want to know what was the expense. I don't know, was it office supplies, equipment, computer repair, marketing, advertising, not sales. Anyway, you get the idea. Utilities, whatever it is. Fill in your date. We'll say January 30th. There we are. Office supplies, $25. Equipment, $500. Computer repair, We'll say 50. Marketing, advertising, and we'll just do $50 for utilities, whatever. You can do that. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. You can customize it any way you like. Just like this, like bing bang boom. You can bring these, merge them. Oh my goodness, I think we're doing some construction upstairs here. Sorry about that, guys. There we go. Like, look at that. Like, how easy is this? Oops, I was going to merge it. Anyway, you get the idea. You can do this so quickly and easily. Keep your totals over here if you want. Line by line, just do your at sum. Boom, look at that. There you are. As of January 30th, these were your expenses for the month. And you can do it month by month if you want. Like that. Or you could just put in March and then just do the date and what you bought. So say you bought $100 equipment this day, and then say maybe on the 10th, you had a $50 computer repair, and you had $100 for your marketing, and maybe $500 for advertising that day. You get the idea. And then at the end of the March, you can do month end, and then come over here and do your total again, at sum, and then just total all of these for the month. Oops, wait a minute. I didn't do that right here. Here we are, at sum. There we go. And then just drag those. Like, look how easy this is to do up. Quick and easy, and your books are done. This is how I started out. It is so simple and easy. If you want, you can come down to the bottom, rename the bottom spreadsheet, expenses. There you go. You can always add another sheet as well, sheet 2, and do the same thing again, which is quite easy. Just income. There you are, income, and we do, let's see, the date, the, maybe the source of income, I don't know, let's say VoiceOver, let's say if you do something else, maybe you're doing video, maybe you're doing audio production, whatever you're doing, you can do it that way. So let's say January 30th, whoops, that's not January 30th, January 30th, VoiceOver, say for the month you made $1,500 because you're just starting out. Video, maybe you made $200, and audio production, maybe you made $800. So there you go. And then again, you got your totals, easy peasy, do your at sum, there you go. Bing, bang, boom. You're done for the month. There's what you made for the month. It's not that hard. Go down, rename this, income, and you're all set up. How easy is that? Love it. Absolutely love it. Google makes things so easy for you, and this is all kept in the cloud. So if anything does happen to your computer system, you have this handy in the cloud, ready to go anytime you need it. You can also integrate it with sync it with your drives, with your phone, and you're ready to have that on hand. You're going out to your accountants, or maybe you're interviewing an accountant and you want to keep it there with them. You can take that with you and just, there it is on your drive, zip it over to him from that drive even. Amazing. I love it. Google has a lot of good things to offer, and I absolutely love Google. So that is it. Quick, easy, down, dirty, simple way to actually do your books for your business. Easy. 6 ways I just showed you, and I just basically have been going out there looking for what I could find that was a good offer for a starting VO and something that could work your way up as your business grows, and it can grow with you. That's it. Start off free, simple, easy, and then move from there. Don't overtax yourself. We're talking accounting. Don't overtax yourself. Huh. Didn't mean to make that pun. But anyway, don't overtax yourself by going too big too quickly. Stay small. If you're just starting out, you want something quick, easy, simple, not a lot of time, so you can get back to work. Actually, we want that for any time, but especially when you're starting out. And then go back to the other offerings that I found there for cloud-based ones that offer you to be able to pay as you grow. And it's really not a lot of money when you come down to think that you need your books done and they need to be accurate. Now, this is all if you're doing it or you're having somebody else doing it for you. If you are incorporated, there are, of course, some other factors that'll factor in for you. So don't forget that. Having an accountant is so key. You need to, once you get up into that higher amount for your business. And let me tell you, I would not be without my accountant. Never, 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 never. So that was it. Wanted to do a quick live stream as promised on accounting. There you are, guys. Hopefully that has helped. If you have any questions, any comments, let me know down below, and or send me an email, contact me on my website, whatever you would like to do. I am here for you. Give this a like and a thumbs up wherever you're watching this. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so you know when I am on live for you. Bye, everyone. Get out there and make that voiceover magic happen. Get your accounts in order for 2018, and let's start rocking this VO thing. Time to wake the VO flock up, people. Bye.